Hi, I'm Jade from Australia. Today I did the Self-hypnosis course with Vicki Rebecca. To sum it up in one word, I would say it's very empowering and I would highly recommend it.
We've just done the self-hypnosis workshop with Vicki Rebecca, and I think it's been really enlightening, to be honest. I think what I've learnt most is about how you talk to yourself and how you can program yourself and what language you use in doing that and how that can affect you.
I've just finished a workshop with Vicki Rebecca on health self-hypnosis and thoroughly enjoyed it. It was great.
Hello, I've been at the self-hypnosis workshop. What I've learned is the importance of only saying positive words to yourself, because the negative words won't work, and I definitely recommend the course to anybody.
Today I attended Vicki Rebecca's self-hypnotism course. I found it very interactive and practical, and I found it very beneficial to learn the skills more and get a deeper understanding of how to self-hypnotise. Highly recommend it.
I would definitely recommend this workshop.
We'd highly recommend the course. It was great fun, nice people, and got a lot out of it.